Morning. Today is April 7th. It is Tuesday, and we're going to do some math. We're still counting on to subtract. So instead of counting backwards, we get to a point and then count on. All right, so let's look at our problem. Our problem says 6 children play ball outside. 4 children play. Oh, so I made a mistake. Let's read that again. I have to be a careful reader. 6 children play outside. 4 children play ball. That's different. How many children do not play ball? Oop, and that should have a question mark, not a period. All right. So let's think for a second. What are we talking about? So let's read it again. We want to know, what are we talking about? What do we know? And what do we want to know? And how are we going to figure that out? So 6 children play outside. 4 children play ball. How many children do not play ball? So we're talking about kids outside playing, right? And that some of them play ball and some don't. So we know there's 6 kids all together. We know that 4 of them play ball. And we know some more don't play ball. And we want to know how many don't play ball. All right, so stop and think for a minute. Pause the video if you have to. And solve the problem on your own first. See what you can come up with. And then see what I'm going to do. So I am going to do this. I'm going to grab my little marker here. And I'm going to draw 6 children. 1, 2, they really have bodies, but I'm just not going to draw them. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 kids all together. 4 play ball, and some other number does not play ball. And we know that number is going to be less than 6 because we're subtracting. Okay. So we know 4 play ball. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just going to put a 4 there because now we know that's 4, right? And then we're going to count on. So we're going to go like this. 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 4 play ball and this many do not play ball. So how many do we have here? 1, 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Or 6 minus 2 equals 4. Or, let me write the whole fact family. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6, because it doesn't matter which order, they're the same, we still have 6. Or 6 minus 4 equals 2. There we go, so that's the whole fact family. Perfect. All right, was that close to what you did? Let me erase that and we'll do another one. All right, so this one says, this one says there are 8 children. There are, I like to make my numbers a different color so you can see them. 8 children. I like it when it's children because I can just draw heads. So there are 8 children, 5 are boys, and the rest are girls. All right, 5 are boys. How many are girls? And again, you could use, so that the way I showed you is how I did it. You could use your hundreds chart. You could use your number line. You can draw pictures. You can do it any way. Use the strategy that works for you. But I'm just showing you this way that works for me. All right. So here, what are we talking about this time? There are 8 children, 5 are boys. How many are girls? So we're just talking about kids, like kids in a class. And we know there are 8 altogether and that 5 are boys. And we want to know how many are girls. All right, so let's do this. Let me draw 8 children. 1, 2, 3, 4. I promise I'll give them faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're happy kids, too, because they get to go to school. And we'll be back at school soon, I hope. All right, so there's 8. How many are boys? Do you remember? Let's look. There are 8 children. 5 are boys. All right, so let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5 plus however many are over here equals 8 altogether. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is 3 there. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Let's fix that 5. And 8 minus 3 equals 5. All right, so that's counting on to subtract. Have a great day. Keep learning alive, and I will see you tomorrow.